Today we're doing the iconic Victoria's Secret angel makeup. I've already done this. One of my first videos was doing one of these makeups, but it was before I learned how to work this camera and I had the beauty filter on it, and I hate that video because you cannot appreciate the makeup. So I thought, why not just recreate it and just have the perfect makeup. I'm starting with makeup because I feel really uncomfortable doing my makeup when I have rollers. It's so annoying. I don't feel like I have a free movement. I feel so. So I'm starting with makeup, then I will do hair. It's kind of windy today, so if you hear it, it's the window, but I can't close it. We want a perfect base, but still looking glowy because they look just perfect. This is from Chic Glam. And I applied it a little bit where I want to be a little bit more glowy. Just applied it all over my face, just a tiny bit. Then I will spread it with a sponge. And this as our base, with everything that we put on top through the day, it will just shine through. It will look like we glow from underneath. It looks so pretty. If you have perfect skin, you can go out like this. But me, this month, my period say, hello, girl. We're here. For base, I want something lightweight, but that will give me a really perfect natural base. Maybelline They Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the shade 128. And I spread everything with a spatula because I want to work in layers. And this foundation is just so lightweight, but it's not a matte foundation. It's more on the natural side. Now I blend everything with a sponge. Today we're using a little something different. This is the RCMA concealer palette, foundation concealer palette. This is what I take when I have to do makeup for people. Usually I would take this and maybe some other darker foundations. It really depends on who I'm doing makeup for, but this goes with me every time I do someone's makeup. I just mix. Okay, I mix a few of them. I mix this and this and this and take a few colors. I mix them and then I go over any imperfections that I have with a brush, and then I blend it with a finger. See how much more seamless they look? This way, just having the concealer taken with a spatula, you will not contaminate any of your concealers or the product. This way is just much more hygienic. So this takes longer, yes, but the result is just a dream. So any places that you have some imperfections, you can go like this as many times as you want, and I don't know, I really like the result of this. For under eyes, you can go with what's left here. And as I blend the under eyes, I go with what's left on my eyelid. The angels, they're all bronzy. They're beautiful. They're just glowing. So right now, I look like Casper. I have to get under the sun way more. So Rare Beauty, this bronzer by Rare Beauty, which I'm loving. Like, I love this shade. This is the shade Mellow. And I applied it right on my cheekbone. This is more of a bronzing color than a contour color. You can go way crazier with this if this is your shade. I just feel like contour doesn't look good on me. So in here, I'm going a little bit higher because I have the pimples here. So, and me, I have to give my touch, my everything. So I'm doing the contour of my nose. If you know how to contour your nose, congratulations, because I can't. So now I blend everything with a sponge. And I go really lightly here because I have the breakouts. And I don't want to move the concealer we have underneath. I just love the nose, how my nose looks when I do this. For blush, the Victoria's Secret makeup artist that were doing the Angels makeup in the 2000s said that she was using red blush because that's more similar to the color that a lot of people blush. This blush by Huda Beauty, this is the shade Watermelon Pop. I'm going to focus it here. No, not going to the cheekbone, but not sticking to the cheek. Just right in the middle. Okay, and now I blend it again with a sponge. I'm going to set the center of my face and leaving the outside because it glows so much and it's so beautiful. Huda Beauty is a bake as always, because why should we change? When something is good, why change it? And I will not bake. I will go with a really small fluffy brush and work in sections, like just this part, then this part, then this part, like that. Okay, now that where I naturally would get creases, it's completely matte. I go with a big fluffy brush and the powder and go just patting a little bit. I'm going with a little bronzer from Alicia and tapping to not move anything. I don't have a powder blush that is red, so I'm going to use this one. It's from the Care Bears She Glam collection. And patting a little bit. Rare Beauty Accelerate as a highlight. The tip of the nose. I did my beauty marks because I have to. For eyebrows, you can go with pencil, pomade. Do they still do pomades? You can go with pencil, pomade, or powder. I'm a powder eyebrow girl, as always. Eyebrows, natural, just do your own eyebrow shape. I feel like they really just stuck with each of their eyebrows. Okay, now let's go to the fun part, which is eyes. I'm going to take this color right here. It's like a mauvey pink. I applied it all over my eyelid. Now with a brown shade, we go to the end of the eye and focus it on the crease, but just on the end part of the eye. Now with this is what will make such a difference. This is Alicia Glitterpedia in the shade Olive Glitter. They're all glitter shades. I'm going to take this one that looks like this and apply it all over the lid. Now we go with a really small brush in the same two matte shades. We go on our under eyes. And again, the darker shade just on the outer part of the eye. And with this shade right here and a small brush, go on the inner corner. We want a really shiny inner corner. With the same brown eyeshadow, we go really close to our lashes on the outer part. We're going to apply lashes and mascara, but this is just to make our eyelashes look fuller. I half lashes because I think half lashes looks more seamless. They're easy to apply. If you're wearing a full lash, sometimes if the glue didn't work properly, it will lift and you will look crazy because you will have your lash lift. So here it's more seamless if that happens. The eyelashes are on, so I'm going to use mascara. This is Panorama by L'Oreal. Top and bottom lashes. We're done with everything, just lips. As always, the perfect shade, which is Pinky Brown by Huda Beauty. And line my lips as normally. A lot of people say, no, you shouldn't line your lips because they didn't use lip liner, but it's 2025, how can I not use lip liner? I use this really finished the Orleac lip liner just on the end to give a little bit more volume. You cannot finish a Victoria's Secret inspired makeup without lip gloss. This is Era lip gloss in the shade Lingerie. I cannot tell you how much I love this lip gloss. This is my favorite. When I run out of this, I don't know what I'm going to do. It's perfect. It's just perfect. So beautiful. It's the perfect shade. It's not sticky. It's just For the makeup, we're done. Now let's go to hair. Don't quote me on hair because I'm really bad at hair, okay? So I do what I can. I want to do a kind of blowout, but I am not going to dry my hair again. So I'm using a flat iron. I saw this on TikTok. Will it work? I don't know. Let's apply a lot of heat protectant. A lot. You're supposed to take the flat iron and then just curl. Put in a roller just in case. I used to do a lot of blowouts a few years ago. If I'm totally honest with you, I don't know how I did it. Because right now, just thinking about it gets me nervous. Okay, so I guess I have to do this. That is so pretty. Let this sit for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. Qué fea estoy. Okay, now let me shake my head a little bit. What the heck, it worked! I don't have the rope, okay, but I have a pillowcase. I've done this way too many times. I don't even feel ashamed anymore. And we're done. The hair could have been better, but I'm just not good with hair. I've tried so many times. But hair and me, we're not friends. It looks like I'm wearing makeup, of course, but it doesn't feel like it, and that's what I always try to achieve. I don't like the feeling of wearing a lot of foundation, a lot of makeup, but I love wearing makeup. So this, I feel like it's perfect. Will this be the makeup that the Victoria's Secret models were? No, because they're on stage and I have a billion lights on it. I just have 4 light bulbs in front of me. But just special occasion, or even if you're that kind of girl and wear it for every day, you're so cool. If there's any makeup you would like to see from me, please let me know. And if you recreate this, please show it to me. I love seeing how you just recreate everything that I do. Muchas gracias, niñas. See you.